In this video, I will show you how to do perfect gel manicure at home within 5 minutes. Applying color with your non-dominant hand will not be a problem anymore. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia. I'm super excited about my new nail mail because this is an international Korean brand and I love Korean cosmetics. So now I get to try their nail products. So we have real gel nail strips. And this is the great product for home use. Honestly, ever since I started working with gel polish, I always thought that this is not the best product to use at home, and here's why. When we're using it in the nail salon, we know how to use it, we always use protective gloves, we know that we should avoid skin contact, but when you're using it at home, I think it's almost impossible to not accidentally touch the skin all the time, and it may lead to allergic reactions. And another problem, even though it's easier to apply gel polish rather than regular nail polish, it still needs some effort to apply it with your non-dominant hand evenly, especially when it's white or pastel shades. That's why I think gel nail strips is a great alternative to it because it's so much easier and faster. And also, I need a new manicure on my right hand. So let's try them out and see how they work. Let's open the box and check out what's inside. Touch in Seoul real gel nail strips. And we have many different colors and designs. There's something else. Gel nail lamp. This is USB lamp, which means you can use it on the go. And I like how small it is and like super light and portable. All right, so we need USB on one side, here on the other. All right. Let's take a look inside of the box with strips. Ultra glossy, easy application, long-lasting, non-toxic, antibacterial vitamin E. Wow. So I guess it's in the box, so it will be protected from the sun and UV exposure. And we have 11 strips in each row. And then we have another one back here, which makes it 32 gel nail strips total for different size of the nail. So this one is like glitter ombre, and there's also the small orange wood stick and a nail file that comes in a kit. I like that every collection is organized with the colors and designs. Well, some of them are just color, like this one, Blue Waves, it's just blue. And this one, Cherry on Tip, it's also like cherry with a little ombre, but some of them have designs like this one, Checkmate, or what else? Oh, this one's kind of cool, Citrus Butter Cream. And it's been a while since I had manicure, so I think I'm going to try this on myself. My right hand looks like this now. It is definitely time to have a new manicure, and recently I've been doing so many things that include unpacking, moving, packing stuff, working with the boxes. That's why I have chipping color almost on each nail. So I will start with taking off the color. I'm using carbide bead. The speed is 18,000 rotations per minute. I didn't even realize that my nails are so long again, and now I feel like I want to reshape them again, and I would like to have short square shape. And it is pretty easy transition. All I need to do is to file them short and slightly round the corners. By the way, even if you like sharp square shape, I do not recommend doing this on your natural nails. First of all, it is super easy to accidentally scratch yourself or someone else. And also any gel polish, nail polish, and even gel strips are going to stay longer if you have slightly rounded corners. Then I push back the cuticles with the orange wood stick and do a slight cuticle care. This is my new shape. And length, by the way, I didn't do like square, it's more like a square oval. Citrus Buttercream, this is the color and collection I picked for myself because I love yellow color and it is quite hard to apply it with your non-dominant hand, but not when you're working with the gel strips. First, we need to clean the surface of the nail with the alcohol and lint-free wipe. Do not forget to clean underneath the nail too. I love that each collection includes few colors, like here we have a light yellow, another yellow, and also a plaid yellow, so you do not really need to think of which colors are going to match with each other. You already have this collection. I think I'm going to need the biggest one for my thumb. First, make sure you have a nice line near the cuticle, and then I connect it with the sidewalls and start rolling the surface and make sure there are no bubbles, because if you will get any, it may not last that long. This is so easy to apply. Now we need to get rid of the excess gel strip, and I tried doing it with the scissors, but later I discovered a method which is much easier and faster. I will show you it on the different nails. You need to use a regular file, 180 grit or 150 is going to work too, and you need to file in the direction that is opposite of your gel strip. So this is how you are going to seal the free edge. Just look at this, no bubbles, like a perfect application of the gel polish. On the next nail, I decided to pick this one. When you're separating it from the paper, be careful, do not touch it with your fingers underneath because it may reduce the adhesion. That's why I recommend using orange wood stick only. Then roll it onto the nail, make sure there are no bubbles again, and this is what we do next. By the way, I find this part so satisfying. It doesn't feel the same when you're working with a regular sticker because gel strips, they're kind of soft. So when you're filing the free edge like this, you can actually feel like it is hugging your edge of the nail. On my middle finger, I have a very wide nail, but the shape of the cuticle is more like oval, so I decided to adjust this one. It is better to cut it and adjust it before you separate it from the paper because it will be much easier to see that. And then I do the same. First, make sure that it is looking straight because if you will apply it a little bit to the side, you may end up having one sidewall that is not covered with the color. And then we gently roll it from the center and make sure it is the same across the sidewalls. If you have a deep C-curve or U-shaped C-curve just like me, you can also finish it when working with a file, when you will be rounding the corners like this. You can make sure that this gel strip is attached closely to the nail from each edge, and this is what will guarantee a longevity of the enhancement. Just imagine for a moment that you decided to have white or pastel or light yellow manicure just like this, and you need to apply this color with your non-dominant hand. I'm doing nails for 17 years and I would not be able to do it properly and so close to the cuticle because my non-dominant hand do not operate like this. But with gel strips, it's so easy and fast. I mean, this is an amazing product for home use. It was just a color. Now imagine you want to have some nail art. Creating plaid nail art like this, even with your right hand, is kind of hard, and with non-dominant hand, oh my god, like almost impossible. Do not forget that you need to file only in one direction. And then, before curing, I recommend you to check all the corners and sidewalls because some small bubbles may be hiding there. If it's all smooth, it is time to cure it. 1 minute in LED lamp. I recommend to cure 4 nails and the thumb separately. And this is it. The manicure is finished. I think this is awesome for anyone who values their time and have troubles applying colors, especially light or pastel shades or nail art at home. I will leave the links to the products that I used in the description box and a discount code as usual. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new product reviews, just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.